Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do another video of what's in the envelope, but this time this is a different kind of envelope. No autographs or anything. This is something different. And with that, let's turn it around and see what it is from. Actually, where I got this from. Let's take a look at it right now, y'all. Let's check it out. It says here, whoa, you see that, folks? From the Criterion Collection. Now, why is it in this envelope? Could this be an artwork? A cover art? Or something? Let's check it out, y'all. Let's see what is in this sheer envelope from the Criterion Collection. Who likes Criterions, y'all? I sure as heck do. So do my pals and my homegirls. But enough chit chat, let's take a look inside, like right now, y'all. Let's take a look. It's here, y'all. It has arrived. Is that what I think it is? It is the replacement discs for Citizen Kane. Disc 1 for Citizen Kane. If you all heard about what was going on, is that there was issues with the audio and the color and everything. So yeah, and what I had to do, what we were instructed by Criterion, is that we had to break disc 1 that had the bad audio and coloring. The coloring on the disc, the picture quality was bad. What they instructed us is we had to damage it, take a photo, email them to Criterion, and then we have, along with our name, address, and zip code, and they already know our emails. So yeah, we had to send that with our information to make sure we get replacement discs and we be notified when it's on its way to us. So yeah, thank God. And at least to know that what I got advice from Jeff from Films at Home. Shoutouts to Films at Home. I leave you his channel and the link in the description box down below. About beta testers. Like, for instance, when Criterion does a transfer, picture quality, fix up of classic films, they have to have a beta tester to make sure that the film looks perfect, it's magnificent, crisp and clean, and all of the above. So yeah, and that's what they should have done that's what every studio company that distributes these physical medias do beta testing for once. Please do so. So yeah, and that's all you need to know for now about beta testing. So yeah, I mean, but Paramount had made a mistake. Screen Factory, sure, aka Shout Factory, sure as heck, and as well as Arrow Video was made plenty of mistakes over the years. But these physical media companies, they gotta learn. Please do beta testing before you distribute. So yeah. So anyways, I think the replacement program is done, and I believe that Criterion's already learned their mistake and never do something like that again. So anyways, like I said before, link in the description box down below, along with a $10 coupon, which I'm not going to show it to you, but I can purchase anything from Criterion. So here it is here. I'm not going to show the back. And let's be clear, this is not a coupon. This is from a film that was written by Michael Kurtz, and it stars Joanne Crawford. I can't even say these names. It's too something. If anybody knows the name, write it down in the comments down below. And do you like Criterions? Leave it in the comments down below. And which collections you got from Criterion? Let me know in the comments down below. And also like this video as well. Subscribe to my channel. Be notified of all new uploads. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Catch you on the next vid.